Welcome to Random Class. Generate unpredictable numbers instantly. Here's what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without randomness, programs produce the same results every time, making games and simulations predictable. How do we generate unpredictable values? Programs are too predictable. Games lack surprise elements. Simulations need varied outcomes. The random class provides methods to generate unpredictable numbers for dynamic programs. How is random class used in the real world? Game dice rolls. Generate random dice values. Password generation. Create secure random passwords. Simulation testing. Test with random inputs. Random class powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without random class? Generating random numbers with manual calculations? Look at how messy the code gets. Manual range limiting? No seed control. Inconsistent distribution. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, random class. Look how clean the code is now. No manual math needed. True randomness. Multiple data types. Compare the difference. And that is why we use random class. Let's see how to implement random class in code. Here is the implementation. Create random object. Instantiate random generator. Generate integer. Random int from 0 to 9. Generate Boolean. Random true or false. Generate double. Random double 0.0 to 1.0. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. Which package contains the random class? Which one is correct? The correct answer is random is in java.util package. What does next int 10 return? Which one is correct? The correct answer is next int n returns 0 to n1 inclusive. How to get random double between 0.0 to 1.0. Which one is correct? The correct answer is next double returns double from 0.0 to 1.0. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is seed 42 produces same sequence each run. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.